I feel like I'll be always like that. Hi my hairstyles lovers, today we're gonna create some bangs. Yes, real cutting bangs. Let's talk. First thing, I'm a hairdresser and I know what I'm doing, but if you want to have beautiful bangs, make sure to follow my instructions and you got the idea and you'll have amazing bangs in just a minute by yourself. Also guys, I want to mention that I don't want those curtain bangs that are short, I want those that are longer. So mine will begin from my lips and a little lower. If I like this style and I'll not get bored of it, maybe I'll cut it a little bit shorter, but other than that, I'm okay. Also, guys, if you're not sure, make sure to cut a little bit of your hair. If you cut a big chunk of hair, oh my god, you'll regret it later. It doesn't grow pretty fast. It takes a little bit of time. If these bangs are too thick, oh my god, that's so annoying. Guys, I'm a professional and I use professional scissors, but you have to get some sharp scissors. If not, your hair will just simply split so easily. I'll tell you why. When your scissors are actually sharp, then you can cut your hair straight and the moisture will remain kind of inside. If not, then your hair will be like cracked by the scissors. It will not cut it from the first time and it will like eat it, you know what I mean? It will be like a zigzag and after that it will transform into split ends. So we don't want that. Don't use paper scissors, okay? Use maybe new scissors for your kitchen. This will be better than scissors for paper. Make sure to buy a new pair of scissors from your local store for a kitchen and use them only for your hair. This way you'll make sure that your scissors are sharp. But I'll suggest you, if you can order online some scissors for beginners, and these aren't so expensive. You can buy them and use to cut your own hair every time and everything will be okay, because you know you use it only for yourself and your scissors are sharp. We are talking too much, so we need a pair of sharp scissors, but make sure to not cut yourself, okay? And then we will begin our cutting routine.
Basically, the bangs are aiming to cover our forehead, so basically we'll draw a triangle. Triangle should begin from like how I'm showing. You have to put your brush onto your head, but that's optional because this is basically how professionals have to do it. But if you feel like this is too much hair, you have to do your triangle like you feel, okay? Anyways, we have to do our straight parting and then select our triangle. Before cutting, we have to make sure that our hair is wet and we have to decide where our bangs is beginning from. But guys, I'll suggest you to grab your front section, small tiny front section, and begin your bangs from there. Now you want to grab this section and kind of making a parallel line from your forehead like I'm showing. You want to cut it this way. We are thinning out a little bit our bangs, so this way it will be more thin and it will lay beautifully on our face. From here we want to grab our side section, the rest you want to clip it away, and again we want to make kind of parallel line to our, guess what, yes, to our parting like that. And now you can cut it like at this point, at this angle, so it will not be just straight, okay? It will lay very beautifully. And you want to repeat this on other side as well. Guys, basically all these steps are so easy, but make sure to be patient and do the steps, okay? So again, we have this parallel line, we cut it, and before cutting even more our hair, I decided to thin it out like that. But if your scissors aren't that sharp like mine, you can skip this step and leave it as it is. Now I want to give the shape that you like of your bangs. And decide if you want to make it thinner at the ends or not. I decided to make this point cutting, so it will not be that thick at the bottom, so it will lay nicely. If you don't grab too much hair, you don't actually need the steps, okay? I decided also to add some pieces from these sides because I like to wear my hair in a bun and leave some hair out. And I feel like I'm done. Guys, if you have any more questions, don't forget to ask me in comments down below. Okay, I'm here to answer your questions so you'll not make any mistakes.
If you don't trust a hairdresser, this happened to me. Let me tell you a story. I was about 15. I asked a young hairdresser, a young, stylish hairdresser to give me some bangs, and oh my god, it was a trash. At my 15 years, I looked like a old woman. It was looking awful, to be honest. It took so long until I got it a little longer. If you have this problem and you are younger and you don't have your hairdresser or you don't have the money to pay your hairdresser, then you can do yourself, but be very patient because nobody can go into your brain and see what look are you going for. So please be patient, do it little by little. If not, don't do it at all, okay? If you are in a hurry, if you are not patient, just leave it. Don't cut your hair, okay? Don't cut it, leave your hair as it is. Don't do any bangs. How about me? What I feel about what I did? I like them, but I think it will be so annoying. So guys, that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget about like, subscribe if you're new to see more videos. And also guys, let me know in comments down below what kind of videos you'd like to see on my Awesome Hairstyles channel. But that's it for today, and I love you so much and see you soon in my next video. Bye!